and welcome to SIT Nuclear channel. So today I am going to tell you that we are going to start our next series, and that is core programming series of Python. And in this series, we are basically going to cover the following topics. So first of all, we are going to see that what are the common beginner errors that a program can have, and how to debug them. And basically, we are also going to see functions. Basically, in the functions, right now we only know about the parameters and the positional parameters. Basically, I will tell you in this uh, function series video about the default parameters, keyworded arguments, and also what are the basic rules of defining a function. And the next thing that I'm going to explain is star arguments and star uh, kwargs, basically keyworded arguments. So these are the two topics, basically the variable length parameters that any function can take, such as a length function, as you know, can take n number of inputs to output us the length of the total number of input. So these kind of things we are going to see how are these basically created and used. And the next thing that we are going to do is lambda functions, basically the functions that we can use to write everything in one line. And also we are going to see when to use and when to not use the lambda functions. And also we are going to see about modular programming. That means we are going to create separate Python files, and then we are going to import them into another one, and how these modular programming help us in simplifying the solution and creating a good architecture in a program. Now, also we are at this point, I am thinking of creating some, you can say, projects also. So there can be mini projects in between these modules. And the next thing that we are going to see is the most awaited one, I will say, and that is file handling, basically read, write, and append operations. And the next thing is the with statement explained. So what is a with statement? Basically, with statement is used to basically create a file, handle file operations and such. Basically, I am also going to explain that. The next thing is exception handling, basically try and except block. And maybe what we can do is we can just put this try and except block. Okay, let's just keep it here. It's not such a big thing. So next thing is creating custom exceptions. Sorry, it's just that creating custom exceptions. Then object-oriented programming in Python, and also classes and object explained visually. That is what we are going to do. And in the object-oriented programming in Python, I am going to explain why we need classes actually. And in the next lecture, I am going to basically deliver the hands-on about it. Also, we are going to see a Dunder method and the Dunder method like init and the object lifecycle. And in the similar way, we are going to see some more, you can say, concepts such as what is an instance, what is class variable, what is built-in function, a Python built-in function that you must know at this level, basically the core programming level, and the useful standard libraries such as OS, SYS, and datetime library, as well as we are going to see about virtual environments and pip, basically. And the next thing is, at last, we are going to make some projects. So as you have already know, for the core programming or you can say intermediate programming, after finding out such things that how many projects are maybe needed, so I get somewhere about 7 to 8 project intermediate level projects that are something we need for our you can say good learning. Now for the data, sorry. Okay, so these are all the course that we are going to cover in the upcoming this into Python core programming series. So I know you are going to see those, and if there is any doubt, what I am already saying that if there is any doubt, or you can say any such things that you need to get some more explanation on, you can just share in the video comments, and I will explain the topics. And yeah, and if there is also, I am also going to do one thing. If there is anything that you need to help in, you need my help in basically creating some project, or you want a specific project that need to be created at this level, I'm going to help you. Maybe you can reach me through the official Gmail, even comments. That is how we can connect, and I will explain that I will help you in this. You can say your personal project. So these kind of things, yeah, we can plan that too. So with this, thank you for watching this video, and meet you in our first lecture of Python explained clearly for programming series. Thank you.